Meet the newest member of the Curtis Cab family. This new Curtis Advantage Cab is custom designed for the Polaris XP-1000, XP-900, and 900 Ranger models. The modular cab system features a hard-coated, scratch-resistant polycarbonate windshield. The windshield features two adjustable vents, one for the driver and one for the passenger. The lightweight, stylish roof provides overhead cover and protection. The doors lift off without tools when you're riding in warmer weather and lock for added security. The steel frame doors feature upper and lower windows to maximize visibility. The doors are constructed with extremely durable ripstop vinyl panels, and the frame is powder-coated steel. The optional door restraint kit features gas shocks to assist in door operation. The rear panel is also hard-coated lightweight polycarbonate. It offers protection and provides maximum visibility. At Curtis, we offer a wide array of off-road cab enclosures, including the Polaris RZR, Polaris Ranger 800 and 570 full-size, John Deere Gator, Yamaha Viking, and Yanmar Bull, to name a few. Check out our new UTV bed-mounted tool and accessory system. It makes access and transportation of your tools and equipment easy and secure. The new Curtis Advantage Cab for the Polaris XP-1000. You're gonna love the cab, you're gonna love the features, you're gonna love the ride. You can buy your new cab today at curtiscabdirect.com.